Hey everyone, in today's video, I am revealing my secret to making watercolor truly shine. We are talking about getting that rich, vibrant and luminous effect. First step, the sketch. It needs to be precise but also very light. We want the structure without any heavy, muddy lines. Following my reference here, I am starting my palette by mixing ultramarine blue with burnt sienna. Our first wash needs to be light, and this is crucial. Don't forget to keep those highlight areas absolutely untouched and always referencing your main light source. I am applying this next layer of color on top of the previous wash while it is still wet. This technique is called wet on wet and it helps the colors blend naturally and softly. To build contrast, now I am applying a slightly heavier concentration of burnt sienna on the both sides of the object. When you mix ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, you get a beautiful rich deep gray, a glass effect color that holds its luminosity. I am sticking to just two pigments here. The ultramarine blue creates our cool tones, and the burnt sienna gives us that warm reddish foundation. Now, when it comes to the darks, I never use black directly because it's unsaturated and will immediately kill the luminous effect we are aiming for. Instead, I mix these two complementary colors. Our ultimate goal isn't just to fill in the color, it's to give a soul to this inanimate object. As artists, we have the power to see the extraordinary in ordinary things, and that, to me, is the true purpose of starting a still life. Hopefully, this reflects my approach and why I paint the way I do. Please share your valuable opinions and insights in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.